Yep, until you get to the top, it's even brighter. Because then you got real windows.
You're sitting in the very back row.
Listen.
You're sitting in the other side. Not what I would
You go in, sugar, and you get where you want to sit. I remember when I was that age. Go on in, baby. More important than.
There.
Yeah.
Almost out.
Here, I'll take your picture. I'll take you and show your uncle how crowded it is in here.
Don't drop
That was not very smart of Mom to not bring the charger. They don't even give us any seatbelts. Tampering with doors is unlawful, punishable by.
Open the thing.
This is fine.
Oh,
Huh?
This is fine.
There's Nikki on there trying to ride.
Are there stairs all the way up?
Nah, yeah, I guess so.
Probably that's how they used to get up, wouldn't you think?
It's like,
If it
yeah,
only opened in '68.
it's like I'd rather take the stairs.
Joe's like, can I take the stairs instead? I'd rather walk up all these stairs.
No.
I kind of want a seatbelt.
No, we're not. You're straight up and down.
no, we're like,
It goes sideways. It does this a little bit, all the way.
Whoa, there is stairs.
I'd
Yeah, you
rather
know,
take,
fix things.
I'd rather walk up.
Well, they also
all
have to have an
these-
escape in case there's any accidents. Like there's a storm warning and the power goes out. Gotta get the people down somehow.
Do have storms here, that is true.
I just want to get to the right.
We will when we get to the top of the windows.
At the
More
top.
stairs.
At the very top, and you can see all the river boats in the river.
When I was little, I went up here. There's a storm, and I saw lightning, and they didn't believe me. There's lightning.
What do you mean when you were little?
Yeah. It's probably 8-10 years ago.
She's all grown up now.
Yeah, when I was really little.
Once you graduate from high school, you're grown.
Yeah, didn't you know that?
You're grown up when you
Are you
graduate.
recording us?
It's just a reflection.
Oh.
Now we're starting to head this way.
I think next time, Sweetie Pie, Auntie needs to not sit on the edge with her pair of heights.
Well, why are you looking down?
Taking a picture for your uncle, because he wanted to see.
Well, you can watch the video of us going up.
Oh! Made me seasick.
My ears are like,
No.
And I was like, there's more stairs.
I bet there's stairs all the way, Sweetie Pie.
my ear just popped.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, these
There
are
it is.
almost well notches.
Almost.
More stairs.
We have our destination.
Are we all like connected?
Six. What do you mean?
Like,
It's like a train, yeah.
like,
Are the numbers going up or down?
Down that line.
23.
spirals through.
My ear just popped again. 22.
That's what I remember.
21.
After a roller coaster extravaganza,
20.
I'm very
First
nauseous.
elevator I ever sat in.
How do they, what does it do? What's the route of this thing? Like inside it, like, cause it feels like we kind of went like out and then
Yeah, look at the outside shape of the arch. That's what it did.
were we like still like under the middle when we got on? In the middle.
No, now you're running outside. The opening. That's 2 Brown Lake.
There's some doors.
3. That's nursery. You missed our exit. Okay. Any people talking out there?
Ta-da! You made it.
You know where they're at?
Welcome to Tappan Gateway Arch. Exit on out. Make a left-hand turn up the stairs. Hold that long silver railing over to your right-hand side. Allow passengers above you to exit for safety. And then head all the way up here to the top. Bypass first 4 sets of windows. Do not stop until you get to the top, over the hump. There'll be plenty of room up here to look out and around once you clear the stairwell. We appreciate your cooperation.
Okay, actually, they're going to be going into part too, so.
Wait.
Dad.
Beginning or the end?
Hey
guys, I'm gonna get one more picture of
I don't like the little beaniness of this.
All the way up
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep moving towards the opposite end.
Dad, we should have come up here during batting practice.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like it.
Turn on.